You and I are leading a new product orientation, and here's our list of people who are required to attend and people who are enrolled. What we need now is for people who are required to attend, bring over their session. Lloyd is in customer service, and we need to also see that Lloyd is signed up for Wednesday. To get this, we are going to do a left outer join. Here we go. Cursor in the data set, we got to make our queries. First of all, data from table/range. Here is our required query. I'm going to close and load this as a connection only. Only create connection. Okay. Now, the enrolled list from table/range, enrolled, and then close and load this as a connection only. Okay. Now to do our merge, get data, combine queries, merge. All right. Put required up top, that's our left side, and then enrolled on the bottom, that's our right side. Match up name and name. Leave this at the default left outer join. Okay. Our left side is expanded. Our right side is collapsed. Let's hit these arrows to expand. We don't need the name. We don't want to use this original column name as prefix. Okay. And there it is. Anton, Lloyd, and Nisha are signed up for Wednesday. Sam signed up for Monday. Everybody else, we got to give them a call and see what's going on.